Dan Mardayaw. Do not create a fake account on Facebook. For me, I'm just gonna say to you, I just wanna clarify who created the fake account of Rodelio Daguman. I just wanna clear answer. It was you. You're the one who created the fake account of Rodelio Daguman. If I were you, Dan Mardayaw, stop creating this fake account. Even you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, Jam Magno, and even other Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos who want to create a dummy account to manipulate the other people who were Duterte supporters, to manipulate Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that he is an anti-Marcos, he's a pro-Duterte. Even to manipulate Mrs. Annie Gill anyway, she has no connection with the politics. She is not related to politics. Oh, the mother of David Gill. If I were to say to all of you, stop creating fake accounts. You know that whenever you create fake account on Facebook, that is a cyberbullying. Remember, I was told by Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Remember that, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. If you don't listen anyway, if you don't listen to your parents that you said, you love Bongbong Marcos, I will create fake account to troll the Duterte supporter. Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, you need to stop creating fake account on Facebook. I thought we are friends. I thought we are good friends each other. And then you say about, Teacher May Tiburcio is very sick. You are a fake news. Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. And you, Ate Dina Guillermo, you call me magmamadali. You are an asshole, Ate Dina Guillermo. You are a fake teacher aide. You are a fake staff of CDIFI. And you, Dan Mardayaw, you need to stop creating fake account on Facebook. For creating a fake account, for example, Dan Mardayaw, you're creating a fake account of Rodelio Daguman. You're using a fake name, that Rodelio. Remember, Dan Mardayaw, that's not Rodelio Daguman. The fake account anyway, that was with Sara Duterte. That's a fake account. That was you, Dan Mar. Wag mo sisihin si Rodelio. Yeah, you're the one who ruined Cedric Mariano's art, even his drawing. What is else wrong with you, Dan Mardayaw, to create a fake account to ruin the art of Cedric Mariano? Inaano ka ba? Like I said to you, Dan Mardayaw, when you create Facebook account, a fake account, why you make fake account of Rodelio Daguman? Tell me, Dan Mardayaw. Is this right to make fake account to ruin Cedric Mariano? Dan Mardayaw? J. Rick Silva told me, you're the one who created the fake account, Dan Mardayaw. You're the one who make fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill. You, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, you're the one who make the fake account of Rocky Tulog. And Ate Dina Guillermo, you're the one who make a fake account of Rocky Tulog. All of you are creating trolls. Even Sangkay Janjan, you're the one who creating a fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill. All of you are son of a bitches for creating fake account. Is this what you like, to troll everyone? To ruin my reputation? Kayo ang mga demonyo, like I said. Kayo ang gumagawa ng fake account para sisihin mo ako. You know what you're doing, Danmar. Remember, that is your responsibility, Danmar Dayaw. Do not blame everyone. Look at me, Danmar. You need to learn how to understand about cyberbullying. If I were you, Danmar Dayaw, deactivate that fake account of Rodelio Daguman and stop making a fake account, Danmar. Roylan Marlang is getting angry at you, Danmar Dayaw. Oh, you need to stop.